Hi everyone, hope you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be sharing with you all about the dual SIM and mobile network settings of your device Vivo Y22s. So if you want to learn about this, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this video and you will learn all about the dual SIM and mobile network settings of your device Vivo Y22s.